Guys, there's a new glitch with the raptor and actually probably other dinos too. So I'm back with Vinny again because Vinny likes being a good boy. No, shut up.
Okay.
Stay in my basement. Okay, and we're gonna come over here. And know when you like dismount off your dino, like sometimes you go flying, and then you come right here. I think it's right here, and then you go right here. You see, and you fling off, and you're in this crack, and then your dino's there.
Okay.
And me and Vinny could do whatever we want back here. And then I think if we can climb up here, I'm like Vinny's kind of bad at life.
Goldfish, get out here. I'll get you another glitch.
Oh no, I can't go any further.
What the fuck? Are you gooning in here?
Mate, this is the goon cave, bro. And then we're up here. Wait, can you see me?
Okay.
Oh, you can't see me.
Yeah.
And that's it, bro. That's just the easy thing.
Here, I have